Hey guys, we're live at 7:33, battling for Khan's Nazi money. I don't know how to say that. Third Reich 50 Reichspfennig. I got 10 spots now that that's over. That I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner of our Third Reich coin. Going to paste them in there. Got 10 spots, going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got a 10. We are good to go. Good luck as we get down to it. Michael, round 1. Gary, 2 and 3. Michael, 4. Gary again on top in round 5 and round 6. And round 7 with number 7. Dave Chrisman takes round 8 with number 4. Gary again on top in round 9, this time with number 5. And our winner is Gary Bleach in at number 5. Congrats, Gary. Here's the verification code. MRJHQE. Gary Bleach in at number 5 is the champ of Khan's Third Reich coin. I'm done. It's 7:34. Cool coin, by the way. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thank you.